deep into the heart of a cutting-edge automotive factory. Revolutionary car. This isn't just an assembly line, it's a symphony of technology and human craftsmanship. From the initial spark of design to the final gleam of polish, we'll follow every step of this incredible journey. It all begins with a vision. Long before the first piece of metal is cut, teams of designers and engineers spend thousands of hours dreaming, sketching, and simulating. They draw inspiration from nature, from aerospace, from architecture, all to sculpt a form that is both breathtakingly beautiful and aerodynamically efficient. Every curve, every line, every surface is meticulously refined in virtual reality and with clay models, ensuring it not only captivates the eye, but also slices through the air with minimal resistance. This obsessive attention to detail is the foundation upon which everything else is built. The goal isn't just to create another car, but to craft an icon that will stand the test of time. Once the design is perfected, the symphony of manufacturing begins. It starts here, in the press shop. Giant rolls of high-grade aluminum and steel, some weighing over 20 tons, are fed into colossal stamping presses. With forces exceeding thousands of tons, these machines press and shape the flat metal sheets into the complex three-dimensional panels that will form the car's body. It's a display of immense power, yet it's executed with incredible precision. Each panel, from the sweeping hood to the intricate door frames, is formed to within a fraction of a millimeter of the original design, ensuring a perfect fit and a flawless finish later on. Now, we enter the body shop, a dazzling ballet of robotic arms. High-strength aluminum and steel panels are laser-cut and welded with robotic precision. Sparks fly as hundreds of robots, moving with synchronized grace, join the individual panels together to form the car's skeleton, known as the body in white. But here's the twist. Humans still inspect every joint. Our skilled technicians, with their trained eyes and sensitive touch, check thousands of weld points, ensuring each one meets our exacting standards. Because perfection can't be left to machines alone. This collaboration between human expertise and robotic accuracy is what gives the vehicle its incredible strength and structural integrity, forming the secure safety cell that protects its occupants. From the raw metal of the body shop, we move into the paint shop, a pristine, dust-free environment where the car truly begins to find its personality. The body in white undergoes a multi-stage process of cleaning and corrosion protection, being dipped in a series of electrified pools to ensure every nook and cranny is sealed and protected from the elements. Then, a team of robotic painters applies multiple layers of primer, base coat, and clear coat. They mimic the fluid, efficient movements of a master painter, ensuring a uniform, mirror-like finish. This meticulous assembly process ensures that the soul of the car is as robust and powerful as its stunning exterior. While the chassis, complete with the powertrain, suspension, and wheels, glides into position beneath it. With pinpoint accuracy guided by lasers and sensors, The two halves are united. Teams of technicians then work swiftly to secure the chassis to the body. The handcrafted dashboard, the premium leather seats, the advanced infotainment system, and the plush carpeting are all installed by skilled artisans. They work with a sense of pride and purpose, ensuring every stitch is perfect and every panel fits seamlessly. It's a place where hundreds of individual parts come together, from the headlights to the taillights, to create a luxurious and technologically advanced interior, a sanctuary for the driver and passengers. Before any car earns its badge, it must pass a gauntlet of relentless quality checks. The vehicle is subjected to a high-pressure water test, simulating a torrential downpour to ensure there are absolutely no leaks. It's then driven onto a rolling road or dynamometer, where its acceleration, braking, and systems are tested under simulated driving conditions. Specialized technicians then go over the car with a fine-tooth comb, checking every function, from the windshield wipers to the navigation system. Only a car that is truly flawless is allowed to proceed to the final stage. The journey is almost complete. Then, with its protective coverings in place, the brand new car is driven off the assembly line for the very first time. It's a moment of triumph, the culmination of thousands of hours of work by hundreds of dedicated people. It's no longer just a collection of parts, it's a living, breathing machine, ready to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. You'll know about the passion of the designers, the precision of the robots, and the dedication of the craftspeople who brought it to life. It's a testament to what's possible when innovation and human artistry come together. Building a car like this isn't just manufacturing, it's an art form. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey behind the factory doors. If you were as fascinated by this process as we are, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you next time.